one of the most important things that a doctor can have in commercial real estate is an exclusive rep, somebody who only represents them. A lot of doctors actually try to do this themselves. They take a DIY approach to the real estate. And what we find is that they actually sometimes think that they are represented because they call the name in the window and that person says, yeah, I'd love to help you get in the space. That person actually is opposing you in the transaction. They have an exclusive relationship with the landlord or the seller, and the landlord and seller really understand the importance of having representation themselves. They might have 100 commercial listings and they still have representation, where this doctor might only do 3 or 4 deals in their career and they try to do it alone. Landlords want doctors to come unrepresented because then they know that there's nobody on their side of the transaction who is going to be able to help them ensure that they get the best deal, which means in turn the landlord gets a better deal at the end of the day.